In this video, I'm going to tell you what exactly a unique field is, how to find duplicates, and how to deal with duplicates. It's going to be a very simple, fun video. Stick around and leave a like down below if you found value from this video. Okay, so what's a unique field? A unique field is a set of data that does not repeat itself throughout your worksheet. In this case, let's go from column A to column F. Column A is a serial number field which does not really help us in any other function even though it is unique because it goes all the way from 1 to 18 without repeating itself. The employee number field also does not repeat itself because each employee has their own unique employee number. Okay, so the name field, for example, has multiple different Michaels working in the company. Serial number 1 is also a Michael, serial number 16 is also a Michael, and serial number 18 is also a Michael, which means the name field cannot be used as a unique field. Likewise, when you go to the department, you can see that multiple people are working in the customer support department, same in the accounts department, operations, HR, and so on. The designation also has multiple managers, multiple assistant managers. Even the salary field has two different employees earning 8,000 every month, which means that the salary field is also not a unique field. So why is this helpful? How do you find out which is a unique field? And what can you do if you don't have a unique field? These are the questions we're going to try to answer in this video. A unique field is very essential to do some functions in Excel such as VLOOKUP. If you don't know about VLOOKUP, I've made a video on that, link in the description. So how do you find out which of your data points is a unique field? All you have to do is select the information that you have, go into conditional formatting on the top in your home section, click on it, highlight cell rules and go down to duplicate values. You can customize this the way you want, but for the most part in this example, it should be fine. Go ahead and click on OK. So as you can see, all of the data that have been duplicates have been highlighted by this simple click. Now what you have to do is go column by column to make sure that you have found a column that does not have the highlighted duplicate values and which clearly is the employee number field. So now you have identified a field where you have employee numbers as the unique field. Okay, now let's say your manager comes up to you and asks you for a list of all the departments that are there in the company, and all you have to do is this data sheet to work with. What do? You shouldn't have to go one by one and remove all of these items. Click on the data that you require again, copy it, paste it to a new location so you don't mess up the original data. That's very important. Go into the data section on the top ribbon and click on this icon, or sometimes it will actually say remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates and select OK, and there you have it. You now have a very simple, concise list of each and every department without multiple duplicates. Now finally, let's say that you're in a situation where you don't have the employee number field. Now none of the fields that you have are unique fields, and all of a sudden you're in a pickle if you need to do a function like VLOOKUP. So what do you do in this case? Are you going to break your head? Are you going to do it manually? No, there's a simple solution which will work in most cases. It will not work in all cases, but it should work in most cases. All you have to do is come into a new cell on your Excel sheet, click on equal to, click on name, type and, click on the department field, and again manager, and again salary, and you're good to go with enter. Now as you can see, it has populated all of the information wherein it's showing you the name, the department, the designation, and the monthly salary, and it's given you a list of data which has combined all of the information from your first few columns. Now all of a sudden you can select this data, go back to your home, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, same as the beginning, click on duplicate values, click on OK, and you can now see that this column does not have any duplicates. If you do need to use the VLOOKUP function, make sure you have all of the information there as well. You do the same AND method, and you should have two sets of unique fields, and then you can use that unique field to do the function that you need to do using that unique field. Alright, I think I've said unique field too many times for this video. So hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen that VLOOKUP video, make sure you check it out. If you have any questions on this or anything else on Excel, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer you, or I'll try to make a new video answering that topic. I'll see you in the next one.